Welcome to Goblin Hobbies. Stamping miniatures is a skill that you can learn. In this video, we're focusing on the pickup, getting the design from the plate to the stamper. This phase can be frustrating until you get the hang of it, but then it's like riding a bike. Let's start with a dry run. Practice a light roll of the wrist. This motion should be quick, smooth, and gentle. The trick is that we're not really pressing down. The pressure between the silicone stamper and the steel plate should barely be the weight of the stamper. Don't press down. The lighter the touch, the better this will work. Now, let's do it for real. We're going to ink up the design that we want with Stampin' color. This is a special type of nail polish and it dries fast. Position the scraper at a 45-degree angle and then do one decisive swipe. Now, drop the scraper, grab the stamper, and go for it. Don't hesitate. Quick, smooth, and gentle. There it is. The cues that seem to help people are to work quickly, roll the wrist, and use a very light touch. There it is. For fun, let me show you what happens if you press down too hard. Intuitively, we want to press hard, but this really doesn't work. Normally, this will give bad partial transfers or no transfer at all. If we don't get a transfer on our first attempt, we just reset and try again. Pressing or rolling multiple times isn't gonna work. To reset, use pure acetone to wipe down the plate, and then clean up any dry paint or lint on the silicone stamper with a bit of tape. Let's try again. Make sure your tools are close to hand, and get ready to work fast. Dab color onto the plate. Now 1 or maybe 2 decisive swipes with the scraper. By the way, if you end up with streaks like this on the top surface of the plate, don't worry. This is so thin that it'll dry in the second or two that it takes to grab the stamper. The color in the recess of the design is also drying, so make sure to work fast. Don't hesitate. A smooth roll of the wrist should pick up the design. Now the color is on the head of the stamper, but it's still drying. Keep moving fast. Scope in on your target and press straight down. You don't need to be gentle or roll your wrist on this step. A firm press works well. Hold it on the model for a second or two, and then pull straight up. There we go. Now, let me show you how to do the pickup without the wrist roll. We're still going to use a gentle touch, but this time we're using an efficient up and down motion. Again, we can practice the movement before we ink up the plate. Up and down, up and down. The silicone is clear, and we can see the point of contact between the steel and the silicone. The surface area of the silicone stamper, which is actually in contact with the plate, should just barely cover the design that we want to grab. We're using just enough pressure to make contact and no more. Now let's try it for real. Dab some color onto the plate. Grab a scraper and use 1 or at most 2 decisive swipes. Grab the stamper. Don't hesitate. Down, up, grab the design. There it is. Some people prefer the straight down and up pickup, and some people prefer the wrist roll. You'll have to experiment and decide what works best for you. There's a learning curve for stamping, but you'll get the knack of it soon enough. Remember to keep your equipment clean, work fast, and use a gentle touch. Now get out there and have fun stamping.